Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on Xbox Series S. Start by checking storage and connecting to the internet, then purchase or insert the game and begin installation. Keep your console updated and allow the game to download patches before launching. I recommend clearing background apps to reserve system resources and checking display settings for 60 Hz or performance mode if available for smoother gameplay. Once installed, adjust settings to get the best experience on Series S. Choose performance mode for higher frame rates if you prefer smoother movement, and tweak resolution scaling to balance visuals and speed. Turn off background recordings and limit notifications to reduce interruptions. If you use a headset, confirm audio and mic settings for online play. Small adjustments often yield noticeably steadier frame pacing and more consistent load times. If you are enjoying the guide, please like and subscribe to help me make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers to keep snacks organized during long Red Dead sessions and to avoid spills near my controller, which saves stress and time. They stack neatly and fit in most bags, making meal prep easy for gaming nights. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Mastering controls makes the game more enjoyable on Series S. Spend time in free roam to practice shooting, horseback riding, and pistol holsters, and customize controller sensitivity to suit your playstyle. Use Deadeye early in fights to gain an edge, and manage your horse bonding to unlock better handling. Keep an eye on core stats like health and stamina, and stock up on provisions to survive tougher encounters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.